I have a lovely bunch of coconuts. Dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. There they are, all standing in a row. A bum, a bum, a bum. Big one, small one, some as big as your head.
Hello. Watch us surprise you right now.
Huli huli chicken duck. That's a surprise, right? Did you hear that? Stupid airport.
Airplanes suck when you live like right there. I like to eat.
Boom!
Eat.
You guys. He likes to eat apples and bananas.
Hello.
This is Auntie Maria Lunny speaking. You know, like your chicken too sweet, Mufasa, too sour. What did you say? Chipasa? Just right. Mufasa. Shut up.
Mufasa.
Do you hear Helena singing? I hear voices in my head. Okay, so I'm here with Helena because he hasn't heard of the new class projects yet. And they're funny! So, I'm gonna tell him what it was about. Okay, Helena?
Alright.
Okay. So, I'm running to the phone. God damn it! Oh. Make my ears wiggle. Look, watch. I hear voices in my head. You see it, yeah? You see it. It's wiggling. A tree.